How apps are born. Before we can develop an app, we first need to develop and solidify an idea. This is called the ideation stage. People from all walks of life and a variety of different industries have come to us with a concept that they would like to develop into an app or web solution. We as developers have learned that failing to plan is planning to fail, which is why we've created a step-by-step onboarding process for the many innovative brains out there that are waiting to create something spectacular. The ideation stage is all about taking the idea and refining it with the design and development details of the new digital solution. Vital questions from both the user and developer point of view have to be answered to get an overall understanding of what is required for the app. What this includes is completing the client's requirements documents, the functional specifications document, and sketching out the app screen's logical flows.